Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we're going to make Valentine themed DIYs. So let's start with DIY number 1. For this I'm going to use one of this heart shaped candy dispenser and the tissue paper with lot of hearts. These two are from Dollar Tree and I'm going to use this generous amount of hot Mod Podge, sorry, and I'm going to attach this tissue paper on top of the base of this dispenser, and I'm giving gentle brush strokes so that air bubbles are released and it's carefully stuck. And I'm going to work my way all the way towards the other end of this dispenser, and I'll show how this turned out in just a second. And this is how it looks, and it's still wet. I'm going to let it dry. While that's drying, let's prepare some of this love letters. So I got this white chart paper and I drew envelopes on it, and I have this heart-shaped soap petals, and I'm going to attach that to these love letters, and I'm going to insert all this into this cute dispenser. So I'm inserting 2 of these cute love letters and all those cute heart-shaped stuff, so it just looks pretty. So I'm just trying my way. I wanted to show those love letters, so I worked my way so those letters show up bright enough between those hearts, and this is how it looks after it's all stuck. And I'm going to attach a cute ribbon. So I got this heart-shaped cotton lace ribbon and I stuck that around the top of this dispenser, and I call this is done. Isn't this pretty? I think I like it, so let me know your thoughts. This video would be part of Talented Creators Collab, and this is hosted by Aurea from DIY with Aurea, and another host is Loli from Loli D's Creations, and the guest host will be Katie from Lady Red Crafting. And I'm going to link the crafting channels of these 3 creative ladies in my description box, as well as link to the playlist. So please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. Now let's move on to DIY number 2. For this, I'm going to take one of this pink apple barrel paint and these 2 wooden hearts, and I'm going to paint with this pink acrylic paint on top of this wooden hearts, and I'm going to let it dry. And this is the tiny hearts are a little tricky, so I'm just holding with this tweezer and I'm carefully painting all over it, and I'm going to let it dry. While it's drying, I'm just going to work on this picture frame. This is a cute pink picture frame. I'm just taking this pearl string around the border, if you can see, and this is one of this tissue paper with a lace design on it, and I got this from Dollar Tree long time back, and I'm just attaching that lacy tissue paper, and I'm going to place back all the stuff back into the picture frame like you're seeing, and I'm going to attach those hearts on top of it. Isn't this pretty? I just see those lace design through that frame, and I'm taking this bigger heart which has love written on it in the base of the picture frame, and I'm carefully arranging how to place all these hearts. It's basically the heart is exploding and then tiny hearts are coming out of it. That's the thing I have in my mind basically. So I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue and I'm attaching that to the to the base of the picture frame, and I'm just going to stick all these tiny hearts like you're seeing, and I'll show how it turned out. Now I created a bow from one of this beautiful ribbon which is shiny and has written love all over it, and I created a bow out of that ribbon, and I'm sticking to one corner of this picture frame just like so, and I created a bouquet with all those tiny pink and white flowers together, and I'm just sticking on top of this bow. And I have one last thing to do. I just got this flat pink pearls and I'm just sticking on top of those holes, and I also have these tiny ones from the pearl strand that I was using. I just cut those tiny pearls from that pearl string and I just attached on those tiny hearts, and I call this is done. Isn't this pretty? I just love how this whole pink hearted picture frame turned out, and I think this is one of my favorites today, so let me know what you think. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to take one of this Valentine's Day chocolate box and I'm going to decorate this as one of the centerpiece. So I'm just attaching this chocolate box together with hot glue like you're seeing, and I got some of this beautiful roses. There one is beige, one is pink, so I'm going to alternate those two colors of roses like you're seeing with generous amount of hot glue in the center of, I mean in the gap of those heart, like you know what I'm saying, right? And I'm just going to attach all those tiny flowers to complete this beautiful heart. And this is how it looks after it is all done. Now I'm going to take one of this wooden pink heart. This is also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to, take off the tag and attach this heart in the center just like so. I wanted to decorate this pink heart with this cotton lace ribbon, so I'm just going to carefully, attach this around the heart just like so. So I'm just pressing it first to remove any bent down wrinkles and stuff like that. So with a generous amount of hot glue, I'm just taking this cotton lace around the heart just like so, and where it goes to the end of the heart, it's a little bit tricky over there, and I just worked my way to attach this cotton lace ribbon. Now I'm going to attach this floral heart in the center, so I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue and I'm going to stick this hearted chocolate box in the center of this pink heart just like that. Now I wanted to give nice handle, so I just took some of this, and I took some of this pink and white wooden beads, and I'm going to alternate them through this jute handle that it came with this sign, and this creates a cute beaded handle. Now I'm going to give one of this bow with this pink satin ribbon, and I made a 3-looped bow just like that, and I'm going to attach with a little bit of a hot glue in the center of the handle just like that. I think I'm happy with the look. I'm going to stop it here and call it done. So this is how it turned out. I'm so happy how this beautiful chocolate box turned out to be a great sign, and I hope you like it. I think I'm very much happy how this turned out, and this is also my second favorite, I would say. So please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I'm going to take one of this beautiful door hanger and I'm going to convert this into a decor for the wreath. So I'm just, attaching the bow that came with it and those cute bells, and I'm going to paint a little bit of white to, remove the shine, and I'm just attaching to the top of this heart. Then I thought I should add one more bell to it, so I attached one more bell just like that using a hot glue, and I'm going to attach this on top of this beautiful greenery heart-shaped wreath that I have on hand, and I'm going to attach like that. And before that, I just wanted to take one of these ties that comes with packaging, so I'm just going to attach to the back of this door hanger piece and using hot glue, and I'm going to tie to some part of the greenery and roll it like that. And this is how it looks. Isn't this pretty? I'm so happy. This is a simple door hanger or wreath that you can decorate anywhere around the house, and it adds value around. I'm so happy how this turned out. So this is another one that I like. I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you would like it too. So let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 5. I promise this is very quick, and this is some of these cute buckets with hearts on it. So I'm just going to stuff some of this styrofoam piece to this bucket using hot glue just like that, and I'm going to cover with Spanish moss on top, and then I'm going to poke those hearted toothpicks on top. You're going to see that in just a second. Before that, I wanted to give a nice decoration, so I'm just thinking which lace or ribbon I should attach. I ended up using this pink buffalo plaid ribbon. I think it's gingham ribbon, pink gingham ribbon at around the bucket, and also created a cute bow on top, just like that, using hot glue. And I'm also going to fill some of this florals and greenery, and you're going to see that in just a second. So now I'm going to poke this hearted toothpicks all around this cute bucket planter, and you're gonna see how it turned out with all those florals and greeneries, and I call this is done. And this can be a nice tier tray decor that you can put on tier tray or anywhere around the house as a shelf sitter, your choice. So yeah, this is another cute decor that I want to share with you all. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts. And this is a cute bonus DIY that I want to share. I got this pink shirt from Walmart, I think, and this is one of the cute beaded love, I think, iron-on sticker from Dollar Tree. I thought I should use this. So I'm going to follow the instructions that are in the back. So for that, I just have to, place it. I just found the right spot where I should, stick this. For that, I'm taking this wax paper and I'm going to place it on top of this iron-on sign, and work my way to press this down, and I'll show you in a few minutes. So it's going to take a few seconds for you though. So yeah, this is how it looks as a quick peek, and I'm going to show on top of the hanger. And my daughter loved this, so she said she's going to wear it for Valentine's Day. So yeah, this is another one that I want to share with you all today. And these are some of the social media handles if you'd like to connect with me over there. And we reached the final part of this video, which is the final reveal of all the items that I made today. And I thoroughly enjoyed making all these DIYs. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you like some of these ideas and would like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And definitely don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. And I would take a moment to thank all of you for taking some time in your busy schedule and to watch this video and make my day. Thank you so much, you guys. And until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. Like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.